Welcome to my hike across Scotland. I am right on Lake Lomond and it's the end of the day. The sun is setting. This is the West Highland Way, day 2. Imagine what day 4 or 7 look like. Woo-hoo! This wind is incredible. And so are the views. That is Loch Lomond, where we're going to spend the next day and a half walking alongside. I got to get right back down there. The hike just takes me straight down to the waterfront. Those are boats down there. And this wind was an assist. It was at my back the whole way, so it was helping me up. This is day 2, and it's Conic Hill, not chronic. They keep calling it chronic because it looks like it's a pain. All right, how about that on the peak? That was pretty windy. And now the easy in air quotes way down. The descents are never all that easy. All right, look at this view. So we're looking straight south into the sun, which is the John Muir. And we are going to be going all the way to the right as far as we can. And we're going to get tomorrow.